Hi everyone, this is K. Venkatesan from Department of Physics, Bharathasan Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Now I am going to introduce new topic from 11th standard physics, 4th unit, work, energy and power. Okay. Now today topic, work done by a constant force. Work done by a constant force. This is our topic. See here, already we know that the basic concept of work done. What is the formula for work done? Yes, work done is nothing but force into displacement. Force into displacement. So this is called work done. SI unit of work done is Newton meter. In other words, we are calling Joule. Okay. See. Now, work done by a constant force. This is our topic. Let us consider one object. Let us consider one object, mass m. Now, the external agency or external force acting on the body, in this body tends to move initial position to final position. Initial position we are calling Ri and final position we are calling Rf. Okay. See here, this is one object. In this object initially at rest, initial position Ri. Now constant force acting on the object, in this object moves certain displacement, final position Rf. Now to find the total work done by a constant force, see here, total work done by a constant force, W equal to, what is the value? F into cos theta into dr. Here small displacement. Here given R initial position, Rf final position. So W equal to F cos theta into dr. Now here constant force is nothing but F cos theta. This is the F cos theta direction. F cos theta, constant force. In this direction, displacement. Force into displacement we are calling work done. So W equal to F cos theta into dr. Here constant force no. So we need small work done. dW equal to F cos theta into dr. Small displacement. Here dW is nothing but small work done, dr is nothing but small displacements. Here cos theta is nothing but force and displacement, same direction means at the time we are using cos 0 degree, no? What is the cos 0 degree? Yes, cos 0 degree equal to 1. Okay. So we need total work done. We need total work done. So integrate above equation. See, W equal to integral initial value here position Ri final displacement Rf into F into cos theta into dr, displacement dr. Okay. Here constant force no, take out. So remaining term W equal to F cos theta integral, what is value? Initial limits Ri, final limits Rf, integrate Ri initial limit, final limits Rf into dr. Okay. Yes. Now integrate dr. Integration formula. What is the formula for integral dr? Integral dr equal to r. Suppose integral dx equal to x. This is the integration rule or integration formula. So we get the value W equal to F into cos theta. Integral dr means we get the answer r. Lower limit Ri, upper limit Rf. Okay. Yes. So applying this value, upper limit minus lower limit. Here upper limit Rf, lower limit Ri. Applying this value here, W equal to F into cos theta. What is the value? Cos theta into upper limit Rf minus Ri. This is our final expression, work done by a constant force, F cos theta Rf minus Ri. Here F is nothing but constant force, cos theta is nothing but angle between the force and the displacement, and Rf is nothing but final displacement minus Ri is nothing but initial displacement. Okay. So, this is very important relation, work done by a constant force. This is very important formula. See, based on one problem, see here, now one problem, work done by a constant force, based on one problem, see here. Let us consider an object, mass 2 kg, falls from a height 5 meter to the ground. What is the work done by the gravitational force? Okay, not only that, here given data, air resistance is neglected and the acceleration due to gravity, already we know that 9.8 meter per second square only, but here given rounding value, the acceleration due to gravity small g equal to 10 meter second power minus 2. Okay, in this value given data. See one diagram. Let us consider an object of mass is given. What is the mass? In this mass 2 kg. So m is given 2 kg. And the displacement from initial position, certain height in this object moves towards the ground 5 meter. So initial displacement 0 to final displacement 5. Okay. So total displacement we need means final displacement minus initial displacement, which means 5 minus 0, we get the answer 5 meter only. Okay. So displacement also given. Okay. So mass is given, displacement given, and also theta value. Sir, what's theta? What is the formula for work done? Yes, work done equal to force into displacement into cos theta. Here cos theta is nothing but force and displacement same direction. So there is no angle. So cos 0 degree. So cos 0 degree means what is value? Cos 0 equal to 1. Okay. So there is no angle. Cos theta equal to 0 means 1. Okay. Cos 0 degree equal to 1. So to find the work done by the gravitational force, see W equal to work done formula F cos theta, this is the constant force, F cos theta into dr. Okay. Initial displacement dr, this means di, final dr. That means Ri Rf minus Ri, you can write. This is a general expression, W equal to work done equal to force into displacement into cos theta. This is a general expression for work done. But here asking work done by a constant force. Why sir constant force? Gravitational force is always constant. Okay, it's a constant force. So applying the work done by a constant force, W equal to F into cos theta into what is the value? Rf minus Ri. This is the general expression, Rf minus Ri. Okay, this is the formula for work done by the constant force. Gravitational force is a constant force. Okay. So applying this value here, F is nothing but gravitational force. Here F equal to mg. Take F equal to mg because gravitational force, mass of the object into acceleration due to gravity, F equal to mg. And cos 0 degree. Why sir? Force downward direction and displacement also same direction. So cos, there is no angle, so cos 0 degree equal to 1. Angle is 0, cos 0 degree equal to 1. Next Rf minus Ri, this is the initial position, Ri equal to 0, Rf equal to 5. So final expression, Rf minus Ri equal to Rf value, total displacement, final displacement 5 meter minus initial value 0. So we get the answer only 5. So 5 meter. Okay. Displacement also Rf minus Ri equal to 5 meter. In this 3 value, substitute in this formula. Okay. So total work done, W equal to what is value? F equal to mg. F equal to mg into cos 0 degree. What is value? Cos 0? 1 only. Okay. No need to write. The next one is Rf minus Ri. Rf minus Ri. Okay. So substituting this all the value, mass value here, mass is 2 kg, here 2, into acceleration due to gravity 10 into displacement Rf minus Ra. What is the value? Yes, 5. Displacement 5. So multiply this 3 value, we get the answer W equal to 10 into 2, yes, 20. 20 into 5, 100 joule. Okay. So in other words, we are calling Newton meter. 1 Newton meter equal to 1 joule. Okay. See, this is a very important problem. W equal to 100 joule. Okay. So this is the total work done by the gravitational force. What is the value? W equal to 100 joule. This is our final expression. That means final answer. Yes. Dear students, I hope you all would have enjoyed this class, and I believe that it will satisfy your thirst of knowledge. If you have any doubt means contact us. Thank you.